In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Slack channel. Whether you're new to Slack or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and straightforward. First, open up your web browser and head over to Slack's website. You'll want to navigate to the main Slack interface, which is where the magic happens. If you're not already logged in, you might see the option to sign in using your Google account. Click on Google to proceed with the login process. This step utilizes your Google credentials for easy access, so select the Google account you want to use to log in. Remember that using Google authentication can streamline your login process across various platforms, not just Slack. Once you're logged in, click on Continue to officially enter your Slack workspace. This will bring you to the Slack dashboard where all your communications happen. Look towards the left side panel, which houses your channels. Beside the channels, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these to reveal more options. This menu is your gateway to creating new channels. From the menu that appears, select Create. It's an inviting option waiting for that tap to unlock more collaborative potential. After clicking on Create, a window will pop up, giving you the opportunity to create a channel. Go ahead and click on Create Channel to start the process. Now think about what you'd like to name your new channel. The name should be descriptive but concise, giving others a clear understanding of the channel's purpose. Type the channel name in the provided field. As you type, keep in mind your team's naming conventions to keep things organized. Once you've settled on a name, hit Next to move forward. You will now be prompted to decide whether this channel should be public or private. If you want anyone within your workspace to join the channel freely, click on the public option. However, if the channel's discussions are meant for select members only, opt for private. This ensures that only invited members can see and participate in the conversations. With that decision made, click on Create to officially set up your channel. You'll get an option to invite team members manually. This step is optional and can be completed later if you prefer. We're skipping that part for now, but feel free to revisit it later to add participants. And there you have it, a brand new Slack channel tailored to your needs and ready to facilitate conversations. With this new channel set up, teamwork and communication will be more efficient and organized. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started on Slack.